Hi everyone, my name is I-Chun, and I'm from University of Akron, Ohio. The study that I'm going to share with you guys is about AI in education, and my study is to explore how AI has been used in K-12, and are there any particular needs that teachers need in order to be able to use AI in their classroom. So my topic is promoting the integration of AI technologies in K-12 education, focusing on needs assessment to address K-12 teachers' urgent needs of AI professional development. If we take a look at what we have currently in K-12, you will be able to easily identify there is a gap. Currently, if we have a conversation with K-12 teachers about AI, a lot of time we found that teachers have very limited understanding about how to use AI, and they feel like they don't have enough training and they are not prepared. But at the same time, their students are using a lot of AI tools currently in the classroom. And so teachers, they feel very uncertain about how exactly to use it and how to guide their students. So they are not able to provide proper guidance to their students at a certain point. And what we expect that we can also have educator, K-12 educator, ideal situation is to have the educator use the AI technology effectively and confidently to support their students' learning. Okay, that's what we are looking for. So we all know that AI has a lot of potential and can be very powerful. But when this tool shows to the teachers, not all the teachers feel comfortable of using it. And if you ask some teachers, they might feel like, oh, I'm not going to use AI in my classroom. You might hear some voice like that. Okay, so in this study, we know that not all the teachers can easily adapt the AI in their classroom, and we wanted to find out how exactly is the current situation in K-12 regarding to AI usage. So looking at what do the K-12 teachers know about AI, and what do they have at their schools, and what do they need. Okay, so we are going to identify the current level of teachers' awareness and understanding about AI and their utilizations of AI technology in their school or in their classroom or at their school. And are there any existing concern or apprehensions of AI technology they have? Okay, when people are bringing up the AI to them, are they hesitated to use it, and why? So our project is aimed to inform and collaborate with the teacher training centers in our area to explore K-12 teachers' needs of integrating AI technology to their classroom and to better prepare K-12 teachers for AI-oriented learning world that we have. Okay. So our research question is going to focus on these three research questions. How do K-12 teachers perceive their preparedness to implement AI technology in their classroom? And what factors influence their confidence and readiness of using AI? And what is the current level of their awareness and understanding among these teachers regarding to AI technology? Before you can actually effectively use AI technology or any kind of emerging technology, you need to have enough understanding about a tool and how the pedagogy can uh, um, work well into the tool through the tool when they use in their classroom. So that includes that we are looking for teachers' ethical implication and also the potential risk and appropriate classroom applications regarding to teachers' usage. And what specific challenges and professional development needs do K-12 teachers identify in effectively integrating AI technology into their instructional practice? Okay, so we are going to ask teachers questions regarding to these three research questions. And our research method, we are sampling teachers across 34 school districts in the Northeast Ohio. Okay, and we have 311 K-12 teachers complete the surveys. And in this survey, we have 37 questions, and we have this 5 aspects included in the survey. So the first aspect is how about the teachers' levels of technology usage? We wanted to see if their understanding and usage of the technology related to how they adapt the AI into their classroom or their understanding about AI. And then also, we were looking for teachers' awareness and understanding of AI technology. Okay, we wanted to know how much they have already known. And then the next is that we wanted to know specifically how exactly AI technology is used in their classroom. Are they using any AI technologies, and how do they use it? Or if they don't have any AI technology, and what is going on in their classroom. We wanted to find what is the practical situation happening in their classroom regarding to any AI technologies. And they're concerned about AI technology. So when they are assessing AI technology or thinking about using AI technology or hear people talking about AI technology to support teaching and learning, what are the concerns they have? And thinking about their own usage in their classroom, are there any concern based upon their experience or based upon their understanding about AI technologies? And the fifth section is about professional development for AI technology. We wanted to hear what exactly the professional development that teacher really needs in their perspective. And then we can work with the teacher training center to better provide training for teachers in the area. Okay, so our research method part, I talk about the demographic information. We have about, from this 311 teachers, we have about 34% teachers are in high school, and then 42 are in primary school, and 24 are in middle school. Okay, and regarding to their role participated in the study is that we have about 19% of the classroom teachers, and 7% is special ed teachers or special interventionist, and 8% are art or music or physical education teachers, and 18% as the language art or foreign language teachers, and 7% as the social study teachers, and 38% are STEM subject teachers, and then the 33% are school counselor or substitute teachers. You can tell that we have a lot of participants that are from the STEM technology teachers. And then in the data collection here, we use the descriptive statistic method to analyze our data by looking at their frequencies and how much teachers agree with the perspective and the level of their AI and new technology knowledge skills, how familiar they are with the technologies, and their confidence level and their interest in of using AI. And also we're looking into teachers' perception of AI technology. How do they feel about it, and how do they think about that? And concern and barriers of integrating the AI technology in their classroom, and also teachers' professional development experience or preferences and needs. So let's look at our teachers' perception of AI and new technologies. You can find that their technology knowledge and skill, if you look at this level here, the majority of the teachers think they are in level 4. If we're looking into the Likert scale from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 is the highest score, and the majority of our teachers identify that they have 4 score as their understanding and their skills for technology usage. And we have the second place is the third point, and then will be the 5 points. So overall, if you're looking into this, teachers perceive their own technology knowledge and skill are pretty high. And then looking at their confidence of new technology, it's very similar to how they feel about their technology knowledge and skills. So the majority of the teachers feel quite confident, and then our 74 out of 311 teachers feel they are very confident for using the new technologies. Okay, and if we looking at how familiar they are with the AI technologies, we have about 113 teachers feel like they are not that familiar with AI technology, and 124 teachers feel they are kind of moderate, and we have about 74 teachers feel they are consider themselves as familiar with the AI technologies. And then understanding of using AI in K to 12 is more like how they really understand of using AI, how to integrate any kind of AI technology in their classroom. Okay, so we have more teachers feel like they don't really know much about how to use the AI technology. You can consider 138, about 140 teachers feel that, and 124 teachers feel like they are kind of in the middle level in between, not quite sure about how exactly they can use AI, but some of them know a little bit. And only 4 teachers feel they really know how to use it, and 45 teachers feel like they understand how to use AI in their classroom. So we consider their confidence level of using AI to teach. Okay, you can tell um, about 130 teachers, 130 teachers does not feel confidence of using AI to teach. Okay, and about 100 teachers, they feel like they are kind of moderate level of confidence of using AI technologies, and there are about 82 teachers feel they are more confident of using AI to teach. Okay, and the interest of using AI to teach, you will say majority of the teacher they feel quite interested of trying to use the AI technology. Okay, and then by considering the actual frequencies of using AI technology, you can tell many teachers still don't really use it. Like we have around 161 teachers out of about more than a half, 50% of teachers feel that they don't really use AI, and there are 38 use it daily, and then 37 use it at least once per week. Okay, so this is how we can see teachers' usage of AI. They would like to use it, and some of them feel confidence when many teachers are still feel not that confidence of using it. But the frequencies of using AI shows the actual usage of AI in their classroom, and we can tell from here that not many of the teachers are actually using it in their classroom. Although we still have some teachers identified 38 out of 311 teachers identified that they use it in daily basis. Okay, so the level of AI and new technology, knowledge and skill, you can tell here the AI usage in K-12, it's the percentage that I shall show you here. The daily use is 12.2% of teachers, and weekly use, at this use one times per week, is about 23.5%, and monthly use is 12.5%, and rarely use and never use is more than a half of those participants, about 50%. Okay, just give you a sense about how teachers are really using AI in the area here. And so this is a diagram visualization that shows that when we ask teachers, what are the 5 words go across your mind when you think about AI? Okay, and you can see this visualization shows that the frequencies of how the words has been identified for the teachers. So you can tell when you see this visualization, the words that's bigger means that more teachers identify the words in their 5 words about AI. Okay, so you can tell help is the biggest word that teachers think about. When they think about AI, they feel they need help. Okay, at a certain point, they feel like they are not prepared, they are not sure how to use it. And they also feel scary. Okay, and they know they wanted to use it. Okay, and then cheating is one of the biggest issues that has been identified for teachers. Okay, and then the rest of the concept they all go across teachers' mind. They feel like it's efficient, it has a lot of power and has the potential supporting teacher and students learning. But still, there are certain issues, concern that are across teachers' mind, and the help is the biggest needs that teacher really needs based upon the result they present to us. Okay, so what are the concerns that teacher have when thinking about using AI in their classroom? Okay, just simply looking at this number here, you can see the students over reliance on AI is one of the biggest concern the teacher have. Okay, and as also the ethical implication in the classroom is one of the concern. It's about 50% the teacher identified that. And then data privacy risk, the potential risk that might lead to leaking out students' privacy issue informations are also one of the concerns that teachers really have. And you can tell here, based upon the percentage that we have here, you can see that how teachers concerned about using AI. You can say about probably like 40% is about moderate level, and then about 35% are in a higher level feel like they have concerns. So if you're looking at this 35 and 40% here, you're looking for 75% of the teachers feel moderate or above level of concerning using AI in their classroom. And let's look at specific concern they have here. The highest concern they have here is about 80%. That's the student reliance of the AI technology and losing the learning skills. If students rely too much on AI technology, at a certain point they're afraid that students are going to losing their learning skill, like critical thinking, problem solving skill, because they depend on AI too much. Always ask questions for AI to help them solve the problems. Okay, and then the next one is this ethical implication of the AI technology. How ethical and how can we use it? Is there any issues regarding to cheating? What is the label that we can use it appropriate instead of copying the wall or having the parallelism issues? Okay, and then the next label is the privacy and security issues, and you can tell that the limited access of AI technology. Some school might have more access to the AI technology, but when some students might not have. So that can be also one of the issues. And then also like bias and discrimination in the decision making. Also, that's more relating like the information that is presenting by the AI tools. Is the message or information that presented by the AI tool is appropriate or is it reliable? Okay. And then the concern and barrier of integrating AI technology in K-12. The top percent that has been identified by the teachers are lack of professional training. Okay, they feel like they don't have enough training to prepare them to use AI, and that's the biggest barriers they have found and they feel. Okay, and also the time constraints. Teachers are always very busy, and how will we be able to provide teachers training in appropriate time frame and providing teachers enough time to go for the training and prepare themselves. And also the limited access to the AI technology could be one of the 30% of the teachers identify that. Okay, and there are some other issues that the support from the school administration. That's like 8% being identified by the teachers, and also concern about the cost for using the tool. So these are the concern, that the barriers that teacher feel how that make it not possible for them to use AI in their classroom. And teachers' professional development, we ask teachers if they have AI training, AI related training before, and whether they are satisfied with their training. Okay, so you can look at this diagram here. We have teachers, about 70% of teachers identified that they have never have AI related official training. Okay, and we have about 31.5% of teachers have the formal training regarding to AI technologies. Okay, and if you look at their satisfaction here, you will say the people's the 30% of teachers who participate in the trainings, they identify that about 16% of them feel very satisfied, and 26.5 feel moderate and toward to more higher satisfaction. So you can consider as 43% of teachers who participate in the official training feel satisfied, while about 40% of teachers feel moderate, not really that satisfied, but it's not really that dissatisfied. And we have about around 20% of teachers feel they are not satisfied with the content or the training they have. So we can still see that there are potential for us to make it better to better prepare our K-12 teachers in the area to use the AI. Okay. And we ask teachers what are the preferences they have for having the AI trainings. And here are what the teachers identify. Teachers really looking for some hands-on practice with AI technologies. And they also want something that's more in a interactive workshop that will allow them to be able to interact using the tool and being able to really looking into the practical classroom specific AI application and showing how exactly they can use it. Okay, they indicated they don't really need much of the general, like they can have some introduction to AI technology, but they don't need that to be too long or too much. They wanted to more focus on their subject related, practical, specific AI application, showing how they can use it and how they can really adapt it into their classroom. That's what they are looking for. And they're looking for more on the hands-on um, tool, and also teachers suggest on the one-on-one coaching or mentoring in their school level to support them, and also the resources, the guide and the menu that can provide them some additional support later on is also helpful. So they also emphasize on having the collaborative learning community to learn how to use the AI tool in the classroom together, and have that community for them to be able to reach for support and help, or share their experience with other teachers. Okay, so they also identified there are certain topics they are looking into. Okay, they wanted to have some sort of people showing the professional people showing them the practical demonstration and use of specific AI technology in their subject. Okay, so this is about like a 70.7% of teachers indicated. Okay, and they also want to know what are the tools and application in K-12 that they can really use to teach their student in their subject. Okay, and then the next one is what are the basics of AI and the machine learning concept they need to know regarding to AI. They need to have a basic understanding about AI so they can better understand how to use those tools and how actually AI tool work. Okay, and then the classroom management with AI is also what they wanted to know. How would they be able to use the AI technology? They can better support them and help them to do the classroom management. Okay, and troubleshooting and technical support is something they also wanted to know about AI tool, and a case study or examples is also something they really want to explore more. So these are the findings, and so based upon the finding we have here are the recommendation for how to using AI technology in K to 12. Okay, we will need to develop target subject specific AI training programs. Okay, it's important to show teachers some overall general idea about AI, but once they have that, okay, they don't need to spend much time on that, but they just gotta need some general idea. And after they have like maybe a section about that, the next training should focus more on specific subject related AI training. okay, and provide flexible and on-demand AI training to address teachers' time concern, their time constraints, and provide them with some self-paced online resources or courses or modules that can support them and show them specifically about how to use AI tools to teach their subject or do their classroom management and ensure equitable AI access and infrastructure across all the school is something that teachers also look for. Okay, and incorporate AI ethics and digital citizenship into training. Teachers also need to know how to model how to use AI technology to their students and how to guide their students to use the technologies. Okay, so a lot of ethical and digital citizenship need to be trained to show our teachers how you can prepare for that and how you can demonstrate and teach your students about that. Okay, so this is pretty much what I have for this study. And if you have any questions, feel free to post it in the thread here. I will try my best to answer you. Okay, thank you.